hello, everybody. Welcome to this little mini live and interactive Rise and Vibe session. Welcome, everybody. I figured, you know what? Instead of trying to explain this to you with more words, I wanted you to get a sense for it in your body because that's what this is all about. Rise and Vibe is all about getting you out of your head and into your body. Most of us live life as an out of body experience, especially us purpose driven entrepreneurs on a mission with all sorts of ideas. Your brain is just going, da binga, da binga, da binga, da binga, constantly. Let me know if you can relate to that or if it's just me and all the other entrepreneurs I know. But I want to give you a sense for what it feels like to have a playful and fun, intentional movement session that literally lights you up with energy, gets you in alignment on every level of your being because yoga is efficient like that and has all sorts of research and incredible data to support the fact that you are a multi layered being. And when you anchor your mind in intention, and you feed that with your attention, right? The original AI, attention on the intention, then you are able to anchor yourself into the vibration, the frequency of your vision, which helps to shift your nervous system, which helps you to be in a state of energetic alignment with all of the beautiful things that you have on your vision board that are your goals. And that's what this routine is about. It's so much more than movement, because although exercise is literally the fountain of youth and essential because your body is essential for you to get to your goals, your mind being clear and focused, because as a population, entrepreneurs are 72% more likely, right? Our population, the percentage of people in the entrepreneur community with some sort of neurodivergence or internal mental health, mental wellness challenge like ADD, ADHD, depression, anxiety, bipolar, or a combination of that, 72% of the entrepreneur community has one of those or more, including myself. And so when we are able to use your morning routine, which by the way is the most powerful way to show up for yourself, is with a morning routine, to prioritize your health and happiness, to take care of your mind, your body, and your spirit all at once through these tools, through these ancient wisdom practices, through the tools of meditation and movement and intention setting, then you are able to check the most important box of all, which is taking care of you. And I wanted to give you an experience of a Rise and Vibe mini session so that you get a sense for what it's all about. I forgot to tag you, so hopefully you'll catch this later. Bum, 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 bum. So I'm just going to tag you really quick. So you get a sense for this. We're alive. And you can hear my wonderful singing. Um, and all the voices I make. Because I like to have it be fun. Okay, so I think movement should be fun. Call me crazy. It's great if you are, if you do, because I am. I think it should be fun. I think it should be inspirational. I think it should be energizing. I think even though you're doing all that, it does not negate the effectiveness of it. In fact, when we do something in play, you learn it more quickly. You anchor it more deeply because you're in joy. Everything has a frequency to it, and those higher vibration emotions have a higher frequency to them. They're measured in hertz, right? So that's the frequency of the measurement of frequency. And so when we have a higher vibration, literally it helps your heart and your brain to be in coherence with each other, so that's a consistent rhythm, which then creates a cascade of optimum function in your body. So I could go down the track of the scientific explanations for you if you want that, because they're there. I mean, 90% of the nourishment to your brain comes from movement of your spine, so move your spine more to keep your brain alert. That makes sense, right? But we could also go down the spiritual track of the alignment. Do you want to be in alignment with your vision? Or are you going to live by default, just waking up frantic and frazzled, grabbing your phone, going on social media, scrolling, and like day by day, just kind of puttering through, just trying to get through the day, just trying to survive? Well, you are a powerful being that is co-creating your reality through your thoughts, through your energy, through your actions, which then creates your results. But underneath all of that, influencing all of that, is the state of your nervous system. And if you are in a state of frantic and frazzled and on the verge of a freak out constantly, then that's a dysregulated state in your nervous system. And people can feel that. They may not be able to put a finger on it like, that person is dysregulated, unless you're a nervous system expert, maybe. But they'll feel it, and it might be, the evidence of that might be, if they're not just kind of, they're not vibing with you because you're in that frantic, frazzled state, then it might impact your sales, it might impact your closing rate, your content. All of that is affected by your internal state, because it affects how you feel. And how you feel is the ultimate end goal, right? And we hopefully, and I know you do, you have big goals for the impact that you're here to make, the income that you're here to generate, the abundance that you are attracting, the people that you get to serve, the way you get to be sharing your gifts and be of service to people. You've got goals for that, I know. And so in order for you to live into that, you need a body. Debate me on that. Prove me wrong. You need a body, and ideally one that's thriving. And so why not have a routine every day to be able to support yourself physically by moving and exercising, which research tells us 150 minutes a week for ideal functioning of your physical body. That also supports your emotional health by getting you into that inspirational, grounded, happy energy vibe of your vision, which is moving you, propelling you forward, and also acts as the golden thread that pulls you forward towards it because you're in that alignment. But also benefits your mental health, because exercise is shown to reduce stress. It increases your neurochemical shift. It improves your neurochemicals in your body to be of a more happy, higher functioning, creative inner state, and helps to improve your sleep, helps to help you feel more patient, more calm. Just generally your level of well-being when you exercise consistently is improved, right? Again, that's research, but it's also spirituality of like, oh, your vibe is higher because you're feeling lighter in your body, then everything benefits, right? And so all of that combines to also beautifully benefit your spiritual alignment, so that you are in alignment with your vision. You're connected to the truth of who you are, which is powerful. You are powerful. See? Chirpy the Rooster and friends agree. You're powerful. You're connected to that knowing. You're showing up from that place that you are divinely guided, that there's a plan for you, that the work that you get to do is to stay focused on that, living from the vision, embodying that frequency now, right? Because you get to decide, and you get to live each day by design when you have this intentional start to the day. So that's why morning routines are so key. Anyways, all of that to say, let's do a little bit of a movement session so that you get a sense for what Rise and Vibe is all about, and see how you feel after the session, and see how incredible it will be when you're starting the day this way. Okay, so I'm going to post the link for Rise and Vibe. We're open until, enrollment is open until tomorrow, which is Thursday, May 30th. If you have questions or anything, reach out to me. Okay, so as we go through our little mini session, please make sure to take care of yourself. Everything that I'm saying is literally just a suggestion. You can throw it out the window if you'd like. Okay, and so you know yourself best, and ultimately that's the highest form of yoga, is listening to yourself, your inner wisdom, and taking care of yourself, because that's what we're here to do, right? So what I would like for you to do is come into power pose. So what does that mean? It means strong posture, right? Strong posture. So you're going to ground your feet down. You're going to pull up from your belly, roll your shoulders back, and place your hands on your hips. And if any of the movements or positions that I'm suggesting don't feel good to you, then just mix it up, right? Make it your own. So that can be one hand on the hip, that can be hands on the belly, whatever you like. Close your eyes. And then I want you to think about something that you are working towards, a vision, an outcome, a goal. And I want you to see in your mind's eye yourself in the moment of receiving that, achieving that, attracting that, completing that, whatever it is. Get into that feeling of either maybe, you're envisioning a space that you're creating for yourself. So imagine you're standing in that beautiful space. What does it look like in that moment? What does it feel like? How are you standing? Because when you stand in joy and in celebration, it's a much different posture than feeling defeated and overwhelmed and sad. Not that you necessarily feel that way right now, but I just want you to know the contrast. So I want you to pull back through your tummy and then relax your chin down slightly. Take a big deep breath and exhale it out. And I want you to feel into the energy of that future version of yourself that is living in that reality. And I want you to feel one of the feelings that they are feeling right now. I want you to just get information from that future self. Is that person grateful? Are they happy? Are they joyful? Are they playful? Are they fun? Whatever it is, I want you to pick one way of feeling that feels like that aligns to that vision, that vibe of the vision. You're going to use that as your power statement. So you're going to say to yourself, I am, and I want you to stay in the feeling of it right now and say it to yourself with that clear intention. I am joyful. And I want you to feel it in your body, and you're going to say it to yourself again. Breathe in and exhale. Hands together in front of your heart, just your fingertips touching. Notice any resistance from the mind. The noise of the mind, the saboteurs, which maybe you learned about in the workshop, are those committee members in our head that are trying to keep you exactly where you are. But what we're doing here is stretching and expanding your capability to be in the moment now. So let's take an inhale, and we're going to exhale, stand up a little taller, and then we're going to do one knee at a time, one knee lifts. Stand up really tall. Breathe in, breathe out. Changing your physical state is the fastest and most impactful way to change your inner state. So open up your posture, shoulders back. Good, now add your arms. Shoulders back. Good. Chin stays down, abs pull in. Good, keep going. And now if it feels like it's too fast, slow it down. It's all good, slow it down. Good. One more on each leg. Ready, go. 2 feet on the floor. Breathe in. Breathe in. Take your arms up as high as it feels good in both of your shoulders. And now close your eyes. And as you breathe out, repeat your power statement again. So say it to yourself. I am. Whatever it is you're feeling, you choose. You are the creator of your thoughts. You are the creator and cultivator of your inner state. Take a big inhale. And exhale. Bend your knees a little bit and shift your hips back. Place your hands on your thighs. Inhale, stretch your spine nice and long. Exhale, pull your belly in and up. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, round. So what we're doing here is building both strength and flexibility through your spine. Joseph Pilates, the creator of the Pilates model and method, was very fond of saying that you are only as young as your spine is flexible. Only as young as your spine is flexible. So what can you do to boost your vitality and your longevity by keeping your spine both strong and flexible? Well, you know the answer. It's move it, move it. Take a breath. And now exhale. And before you go to stand back up into power pose, I want you to decide, how are you going to stand up? What are you going to embody? What is that quality? Feel it in your bones as you roll your shoulders back and open through your heart. And now breathe in. Exhale, say it to yourself again. How does that quality express itself in this moment? Turn it up more, like it had a dial, and you could make it brighter. You can make it louder. You can make it fuller. Feel it in your body. Exhale deeply. Good. All right. So we're going to go, I am, and then you're going to fill in the blank, whatever that is, okay, whatever your quality. I am joyful. I am joyful. Say it again. 2 parts. Inhale, inhale, exhale. We go. Tap, tap, open it up. Tap, tap, open it up. If it feels too fast, slow it down. If it feels too slow, speed it up. Okay, it's up to you. It's your body. It's your practice. Now try it a little higher. And if that doesn't feel good, then go back to lower. Okay, so what we're doing is strengthening your upper back, toning your triceps. Now tone your tushy by squeezing your bum. You're still saying it, right? I am. I am. 2 of the most powerful words in the English language. Say it. Now feel it. Good. Now breathe in. Fill yourself with breath. And now breathe out. Say it again. Feel it in your body. And now I want you to imagine that anything that might be kind of feeling stuck or stiff or any sort of mental resistance, any physical tension that you feel in your body, we're going to shake it a little bit here. We're going to shake our body. So shaking is super powerful for your nervous system, helping to clear stress, express stress. So just shake your body. No one can see you when you close your eyes, so just make yourself feel invisible if you feel silly, okay? So breathe, shake your body, shake, 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 shake. Visualize one of those blow up things at the used car lot, and we're gonna look like that. Ready? So go all the way up, wave your arms around, breathe in, shake, 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 shake. And now, as you exhale, close your eyes and breathe out and let everything settle. Settle back into your power pose. Settle back into that powerful alignment. Good. And now we're going to do it one more time. And as you do it, I want you to imagine a snow globe, and you're going to shake everything. You're going to shake the snow globe. You're going to shake all these little particles, all these little things that are not aligned with your vision. You're going to shake them, shake them, shake them. And then you're going to use your ha, the most powerful voice that you have, your breath. We're going to let them all go. Ready? Breathe in. And then we're going to use the ha. Clear yourself. Wiping the slate clean. Letting go of those challenges, whatever they are, internal, external. We're anchoring back into this truth. So bring your hands on your body, snuggle your arms in. Maybe you need to move things out of the way to get a little snuggle. Okay, so close your eyes and just feel the warmth of your hands on your body. Take a breath. And let's let it go. Exhale. And one more time. Breathe your breath in. And repeat your power statement, but feel the energy of it in your body. That is the rocket fuel. That is the magnetism that will attract opportunities and blessings and conversations into your life. Your emotions are that magnetic pull. Your minds are the electric force, so the electromagnetic pulse of your body. So take a breath in, feel it, now say it. Say your power statement. And before you open your eyes, I want you to decide who and how you are going back into the day as. Who are you going to be today? How are you going to show up? You decide. When you start your day this way, when you have this intentional grounding, anchoring moments with yourself, you decide how you feel. You benefit yourself on every level of your being, because every level of your being is necessary for you to fully live into and embody your purpose and make the beautiful impact and ripples of magic that you are here to make. Exhale. Beautiful. So, let me know how that felt for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Enrollment for Rise and Vibe is open till tomorrow, which is Thursday, May 30th. There are spots left, but there are limited spots available because it's a very intimate experience. I want you to be supported and seen. I'll be checking in with you weekly. I'll be able to answer your questions. So it's like having a personal trainer to work with inside the energy of a group setting. So if you don't like groups, no worries, right? We're doing it on Zoom, so you're welcome to come with your camera on or off. You can just be there. It's just like it's you and me. If you love the energy of being in groups, especially being around other really intentional, purpose-driven entrepreneurs that know what it's like to live this crazy life of being a business owner and have a mind that's just kind of all over the place a lot of the time, then this is a really supportive community for you, and I would love to have you join us. So if you have questions about it, send me a DM. If you would like to talk about it before enrollment closes tomorrow, send me a DM and I'll send you a link to book a little tea time, and we can have a little tea together, or coffee or water, whatever. Kombucha, I don't know. Anyways, continue my thought. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for sharing your magic with the world, because what you do is important. But in order for you to continue to do that, it does take health of your body, your mind, and your spirit. So why not do something that leverages your time and gives you all of that in one session? I'll post the link to the enrollment page, which gives all the details about Rise and Vibe for the summer series. We're kicking off June 1st, and our first session together is June 4th, because they're Tuesdays and Fridays. And I would love to be able to support you on your wellness journey, which also supports you on your business journey, because you're the driving force in your business. And in order for you to do all the things you're here to do, you got to take care of you, boo. Don't we love our rhymes? I do. Anyways, have a beautiful day. Reach out with questions. Hope to see you inside the Rise and Vibe community. Take care.